In this video, you'll learn how to cancel an eBay order due to non-payment. This process is essential for managing your inventory and maintaining your seller ratings effectively. Begin by navigating to your seller hub. Once you're on the main page, locate and click on the Orders section in the menu. Here, you will find a list of your current orders. Identify any orders that remain unpaid past the buyer's payment deadline. It is important to confirm the non-payment status to ensure the order is eligible for cancellation. This step helps to avoid disputes with eBay and protects your inventory from being tied up in unpaid transactions. Next, select the order that you wish to cancel. Once highlighted, look for the option labeled Cancel Order and click on it. A new window will appear prompting you to choose a cancellation reason. Select non-payment from the list provided. After this action, eBay will automatically update the order status to reflect the cancellation. You may also have the option to leave feedback for the buyer, which can be either neutral or negative based on their behavior during this transaction. Document this cancellation for your records, as following eBay's guidelines ensures that you report the issue correctly. After you have cancelled the order, it is crucial to monitor your account to confirm that the order has been successfully cancelled. You can check the status in the same orders section of your seller hub. If the cancellation is confirmed, you may want to relist the item. Make sure to update the quantity if necessary to reflect your available stock accurately. This action prevents any unsold stock from being locked in unpaid orders, which could affect your sales. Maintaining proper workflow is vital for protecting your seller account. Regularly review your pending orders to identify any recurring non-payment issues. This proactive approach helps you manage your inventory effectively and keeps your seller ratings intact. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.